Yes, good day everyone. I'm your online host for today, your maths teacher. So the topic before us today is correlation. Correlation. This topic is very important. Before I go forward, let me emphasize on the importance of this topic, most especially for science students in schools and the 100 level or the JAMBite in the 100 level in universities. This topic is the first topic they will do when they are in 100 level, and it usually gives them a lot of problems. So parents watching this video, feel free to share it with your children so that this topic can be very easy for them and it gives them no problem. So let's go. Correlation. Correlation. What is correlation? It's just a measure of relationship between two variables, x and y. If two variables are varying, if one is increasing and the other one is increasing, they say they correlated positively. But when one is increasing and the other one is decreasing, then it has a negative correlation. So how do we use this to measure the strength of the relationship between two variables? That's what we want to look at today. I have a question on the board. The question says, find the correlation of the following graph below. This is the graph. We have our x value and our y value. So we want to find the correlation. This formula is the formula for finding the correlation between two variables. So this is the formula. It says that n multiplied by summation sy minus summation s summation y all over the square root of all what is in the bracket there. So that formula is very easy. Just look cumbersome, but when you settle down, you study it, you know that it's very easy to memorize. Yes. So let's go ahead in getting this solved. Yes. This is our graph. This is the table of value. Your x, you write it as it is here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And y is what is here. Then you find the product of x and y. 2 times 8, 16, 4 times 12, 48, as you can see. Then you find the square of the x variable. X square, which is 2 square, gives us 4. 4 square gives 16. 6 square gives 36. 8 square gives 64. 10 square gives 100, and so on. Then y square gives what is here, as you can see. If you have any problem, feel free to ask me any question that disturbs you on this topic. Now, then after inputting all your values in this table, then you find the summation of all the x value. That's summation of x here is 30. Summation of y value here gives us 84. Then you find the summation of sy, which is 596, as you can see. Then the summation of s square gives us 220. That's summation of s square, as you can see. Then the summation of y square gives us what? 1624. Now, after taking the pains to impute this table, what is next is for you to substitute all these values in your formula. This n signifies the number of items. This is just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our n is 5. So that means the data are 5. So now, you input n, which is our 5, multiplied by summation sy. What is our summation sy? Summation sy is 596. So 5 times 596 minus, are you following? Please follow this video to the end so that you know the bottom line of this. This topic is very important for your children in higher institutions and in senior secondary school. Minus summation x, summation y. What is summation x? Our summation x is 30, which is this, multiplied by summation y, which is 84. So when you multiply that out, this times this gives us 2980 minus 30 times 84 gives us 2520. Then square that value. So 5 times summation s squared. Summation s squared is 220 minus summation s. You have to be very careful here. Summation s in bracket square is different from summation s squared. Don't misquote it. Summation s, you write 30, then you square it. It's different from summation s squared. See, summation s squared is 220. That's not what they mean. Summation s, then you square it, which is 30 squared. So, then you move to the next bracket, n, which is 5 times this. I'm taking this pain to explain this so that for the beginners who are new to this topic, but for those who are a science student, they just know what to do. That once you have all this value, you just input it into the formula and your answer comes out. But for your understanding, so let's go over it step by step. So minus summation y squared. Summation y is what? See, summation y 84. Then you square it. Summation y, which is 84 squared. Then after that, when the smoke clears, then this becomes this minus that. Then square root of 5 times this gives this minus 30 square, which is 900. Then that square, 5 times this gives us this minus 84 square, which is 7056. So this now becomes this minus this gives 460 all over the square root of this minus this is 200. This minus this is 1064. Then when you multiply this out, it gives you this. When you find the square root, it gives you 461 all over 460. I mean 460 all over 461. So R is now 0.997. You can see it's close to 1. This is approximately 1. So that means the correlation is a positive 1. So the graph of the correlation will look like this. It's increasing. The S value increases while the Y value also increases. So the graph looks like that. So it is a positive correlation. So that is the end. If you have any question, you can feel free. So we have successfully find the relationship between the S value and the Y value of this graph. So it's a positive correlation. That means the S value increases and the Y value also increases. It's a positive graph. So we have proved it that they correlated positively. So see you in the next class. So my name is Taufik Akinwande, the online mathematics teacher. If you have any problem, feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you can see an amazing video just like this one you are watching. Then you continue, you will be the first person to receive it when I release the next video. See you and keep winning. Thank you.